Oh, this is genius.
What'd you do?
What do you got, Daddy?
100% chance whatever it is not genius.
Wait. Wildcat, question. One of these looks suspicious. One was facing the other direction.
One of these things is not like the others. One of these things just didn't belong, and it was fucking Nogla.
Good one, Nogla. Good one. That was great.
Come inside the house.
Oh, hey, I see. I
was
see
that?
what you're doing.
I'm doing nothing.
I saw something doing something.
I am doing nothing. Nothing suspicious.
Stop doing what you're doing.
I'm trying to... There we go.
What's going on in here? Yeah, see? See, look what you've done. Oh. Look what you've done.
Are you in here with me?
No, I'm not in there with you.
That is a room full of crazy shit that's haunted. Do not go in there, Brock.
Whoa! I'm blocking the fucking door. I'm blocking the door. I'm blocking the door, man.
He's just gonna blow the place, dude.
I don't want to go to school today.
You're going to school, little man.
There we go.
Hey, you're not getting in here.
Oh, he's stuck in the fucking roof, dude.
Evan, what the fuck are you?
Can you, like,
Nothing. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it.
Here.
Maybe shoot the bed, Brock.
Are you still there, Wildcat?
Yes.
Yeah.
You still in that closet? I mean,
You motherfucker.
He's in the closet, Brock.
Is this him?
No, turn the closet.
he's not. He's not in the.
Oh, he's here.
Whoa.
No, he's not. He's not in the
Oh,
closet.
he's a magnet.
No, gravity! How, dude?
Yeah.
Evan, you're a fucking bitch. You fucking bitch. Hey, that's where I wanted to go. I wanted to do that.
Wait. Somebody's still alive?
Yes, Evan was still alive.
Evan's still alive, Moo.
Yeah. I don't know where he is though.
Shut up. You know exactly where I am. You know exactly where the fuck I am.
Oh my god, Evan, that's totally gonna work.
I got the fuck out of there.
Mm-hmm.
Look at this. They're never gonna find me here underneath the stairs. I mean, in the closet.
I
mean-
don't believe you.
You gotta do something, Brock.
Kill that Harry Potter bitch!
Was he even down there?
Did we win?
Yeah, game over, dude.
Fine.
Oh, I didn't. Yeah, I didn't realize that.
All right, I got a plan.
What do you got?
He's a flamingo.
No. What? Why would I be a flamingo?
Were you?
Said a flamingo. Douglas Spot is breaking all kinds of records.
What the hell are you, man? You in this room?
Look for a hot smoking dick.
Oh, there he is! There he is, motherfucker!
Where?
He was a speed penis, dude.
Where is he? Where
He's
is
a
he?
damn pipe, smoke pipe.
Where?
He ran out
If you're
front. He ran out
outside,
front.
you're
He
just
went out
impossible
front.
to see.
The Dukes. I told you I'm a slippy dick.
Where the hell?
A slippy dick.
This
A
dick.
slippy dick.
Where's he at? Where is he?
I don't know. I'm just shooting
Wow.
the bushes.
It's not bushes, they're my pubes.
Where are you, huh?
But you can't
Are
see
here?
the dick.
And I'm a gone. Out of here. Let me go.
Get him, motherfucker! He's trying to open the door! Ah! It's like trying
to your right.
to shoot
There
a fucking
Little dick on the
worm! Yeah! Yeah! Yeah!
I died how I wanted to die inside Wildcat.
I got the greatest plan in the history of plans.
Well then, get in there, fat fuck. What was that?
Step one. Fuck! Give me the fucking shit! Give me the... Give me that goddamn... Get out of the way! Get out of the fucking way!
What is going on?
Fuck this shit! Ah!
Oh, you got a no clip, huh?
No, no, no,
I just
no.
saw, I just saw
No,
something
no,
flying
no,
above
no.
the roof.
Oh, man.
Oh, now you turn off the cheat. Send to zero.
I can't even understand.
I see you, Douglas.
Nope. Wait,
You're like...
Is he just lagging?
This guy's cutting him out. I'm like...
fuck it, wait. Oh my God. That's the lag.
Did you really leave, Tyler?
What the fuck was that?
What was that sound?
Oh my god, that was the sound of me
down here.
shitting myself,
Down here,
dude.
Moo.
What the fuck is going on?
Oh my fucking crotch!
He's
I
blending.
am becoming one with my environment.
Okay.
How are you becoming...
Move, come here.
Oh, I see. You're trying to blend in with the wall there?
Yeah, I am. Not trying, am blending in with the wall.
What the fuck?
You guys have some weird neighbors.
You think so?
Oh, this is so fucking boring.
Are you not in this house?
No,
you guys
I'm
ever
not in
talk
the
to your
house.
neighbors? You ever talk to your neighbors? Because some of them are really weird.
Yeah.
We have a weird neighbor.
Ah. You see? Oh, let's become. Look at this. Look at this. You do that.
Oh,
Look, you
shit.
do that. Look, you do that.
Okay, you do that.
And
Okay.
it's like this, and you go like that. You know what I'm saying?
Okay.
You know, you gotta
Okay.
you gotta do the thing though. You gotta do that, and then
Okay.
Then look at this.
Okay.
Look at this. Then you go like this right here. Then you go
Okay.
like that. See on top of
Okay.
there. On top of there. Just
wait,
like
wait,
that.
wait,
just
wait,
like
I
that.
can't make the jump. I can't make the jump.
There you go. There you do. That's it. That's
And
it.
then what? And then
now,
what?
Now this is it.
Hey, look at what I did.
Oh shit! Look at that! Look at that!
How you do that? How you
I
get on
just-
top of that?
You
Alright,
use the other thing to get on top of this thing.
I tried to do the other thing, but getting on top of that thing didn't work.
Uh-oh!
Uh-oh,
What am I? What are those?
What did you
I'm
do?
stuck. I'm stuck.
I don't know, but my screen is spazzing out and I want to die.
Stupid.
Marcel?
Wait,
Turn off your flashlight,
this
Marcel.
is
Basement now, boys.
What the fuck?
Oh!
Oh, don't do it! Don't do it!
Did you see my panic move?
Yeah.
Marcel, did you see my panic self-defense?
No, I didn't.
Well-
Oh, wait, I didn't know. I didn't see it.
Oh, Evan, nice, dude.
How do I look, man? I
You look
pretty,
fucking
pretty nice.
awful.
I wish my friends were here.
Well, you're about to join me here in a minute.
I know I am for sure.
Oh, Evan.
What?
Oh, Evan.
Oh, wait, what?
Oh, man.
Oh.
Oh, yeah, I didn't know that was
You're stuck on the other one. Look at that thing you made, dude.
Look at this. It's a new invention. Hold on, let me sell you this product. This is a new product. Double-ended table.
The infinity bedside table.
Are you
What's the
tired?
benefit?
Are you tired of accidentally putting your table upside down? Well, now you don't have to worry about that because with a new double-sided table, it doesn't matter.
you constantly getting angry and-
It doesn't matter which way you put your table unless you do it sideways.
Can we put stuff on top of you?
Are you constantly getting angry and
Ow,
throwing
look
your
at that.
table?
See that?
Oh,
See,
I don't
look,
think I like
it's-
this product.
It's indestructible. See that? It's
Oh, can you put a chair
Oh,
on?
man.
yes, you can. See that? Look, see that?
All
It also
right.
does magic tricks.
Yeah, like what?
Yeah.
Like levitate. This one.
Like-
I don't want to watch
like-
already.
I was onto your shit.
As soon as it popped up, he shot it.
I need a pee, but I'm gonna hold it in.
There's a bathroom on the map, dude.
Oh yeah, let me just piss my pants in cyber world.
No, that works. Have you ever tried it?
Oh, and I never will. Hey, what's going on in here?
What's going on there, huh? Oh my god.
Why is this thing floating right here?
You guys are dumb. You guys need to get yourself a pair of glasses.
Wear glasses.
Fucking blind pig.
What?
I think you need glasses, and I have that pair that you might need.
I do wear glasses, you fucking asshole.
Are these your glasses?
I dropped my glasses. Can you find my glasses?
Like I said.
Fuck, that hurt,
Like
dude.
I
He's in
said.
the closet. He's in the
Someone's
closet, flashing the light.
Leave the door open.
He's in there. Trust me. He's in there, dude.
Yeah,
Hey, no glass.
Trust me, Nogla.
He's not in there. I just wasted my noob tube.
Why don't you come to the kitchen? Okay, yeah,
Hey, what's up, man?
Oh, hey, I see you.
Hey, oh, you see, yeah. That guy doesn't see me because I think this is
I think they belong to him, yeah.
I belong to him. Oh man, that lobster's dumb.
Hey, man.
Hey, lobster, why don't you come to the front of the house?
Okay, I'm at the front.
Okay.
Hey, Brock.
Oh, I didn't know you were still alive.
He's an ashtray. He's an ashtray.
He's an
Shadow.
ashtray.
Evan is still fucking glasses, dude.
I'm shot.
Nogla is so bad. He can't eat shit. There you go. Finally. Oh my god.
Dude, I can just die a happy man now.
Look at this. Look like this. I'm going camping.
Right there. Right there.
Oh, turn around. Oh my god.
That was dirty.
Hey, come on, man. It's my kid playing.
Hey, Evan, watch your step.
Yeah, I know. To watch your step.
I don't want to trip.
No, he's fucking glasses. No need for the
I
fire.
honestly can't even see him. He's like, he's barely visible.
Outside.
Ah, yeah.
Wow, Evan, you certainly won that
I
round
am
with
so
masterful
good.
hiding, and
I
not
am
because
so
your-
good.
Not because your prop is fucking see-through.
I couldn't even see him.
Glasses.
Oh man, it's so ironic.